On Thursday, the 1st of October, the Industrial Relations Commission of New South Wales handed down a diabolical decision toward an increase of 0.3% to all PSA members and other frontline workers, including nurses, paramedics and hospital cleaners. In doing so, it has clearly sided with Premier Berejiklian and Treasurer Perrottet in effectively freezing the wages of all New South Wales public sector workers. I'm standing in front of the brand new state-of-the-art Ministry of Health building at St Leonard's. It's here that our members who work as contact tracers, alongside members of the HSU and the Nurses Union, these essential workers have stopped the COVID-19 pandemic from overwhelming our health system, our schools, our prisons and our communities. Like the bushfires earlier in the year, it is the frontline public sector workers protecting the community. In March of this year, the Premier signed off on an $87,000 pay rise for the Police Commissioner, Mick Fuller. That's an astonishing $1,674 per week pay rise. This followed a $66,000 pay rise for Simon Draper from Infrastructure New South Wales, and pay increases so that all departmental secretaries now receive a minimum salary of $599,000 per year. The average public sector worker earns around $89,000 a year. So the decision handed down last Thursday will deliver them an average weekly pay rise of $5.13 before tax. For hospital cleaners, general assistants and other frontline low-paid workers, it is much, much worse. The PSA and other public sector unions put forward clear and unequivocal evidence that New South Wales could afford a moderate pay rise. Our members certainly deserve one, and the economy would benefit from the stimulus. Clearly, we cannot look to the courts for justice. We must bring to bear an industrial and political campaign that brings with it the collective strength of more than 400,000 public sector workers. As a first step, we want you to send a letter to your local Member of Parliament asking them to support frontline workers. Please get behind the union and click on the link provided. Now, more than ever, we need our members to get in behind us and support this campaign. Please help us stop the freeze.